In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs. From your email or from Google Drive, access Google Docs. You can choose from several templates, but I recommend starting with a blank doc. You can rename your doc in the upper left-hand corner, and notice that you don't ever have to hit save. It just saves automatically for you. In this area, you have plenty of options for how you can customize your font. This is where you can change the format of your text. You can also change the spacing between lines. You can add bullet points. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can just hit the back arrow. That's your undo button. If you want to zoom in or out, just click this down arrow and make your selection. Let's say you want to add a picture. Just go to Insert, Image, and you can choose where you want to upload your picture from. Maybe you want to search for it on the internet, or you already have one saved on your computer. Once you put your image into the document, you can click on it and resize it. If you want to crop the image, you can do that in Docs. Just double click and then move the black parts of this box. When you're done, click Enter. Go to Image Options. Here is where you can further edit your image. You can do text wrapping. You can recolor the image. In Adjustments, you can change the transparency. So if you want to make the picture see-through and put text on top of it, you can do that. Change the brightness, contrast, or just reset it all together at the bottom. What's really great about using Google Docs, especially if you want to collaborate with other people, you can just highlight the area that you want to add a comment on, and then click the plus icon on the right side of the screen. You can comment with your suggestions, and people can go in and reply to you. Usually they'll receive an email notifying them that you've made those comments. Go to Insert Table and choose how many columns and rows you would like. Highlight any areas that you want to change. You can change the format of the highlighted areas. On the table, you can even change the background in specific boxes. So let's say I want to change the border of this box. Right here is how you can edit the border of a specific area. So let me show you how to make a hyperlink. A hyperlink is text that when you click on it, it will redirect you to a specific website that you attach it to. So I started by typing my text, and then I'm linking it to a specific website. Something that's important, if you want to add another row or delete a row or a column on your table, just right-click on the table and you'll see that option appear. I'm going to insert a drawing. This might not be something that you commonly use, but just so you can see that it is a feature, if you click on Insert Drawing, you can add another text box here. You can add lines, shapes. Say you want to tilt an image or flip it. Click on it and notice the circle at the top. That's where you can do that. You can also right-click on it and find some other options. If you want, you can even turn an image into a hyperlink. If you want to share your document, you can either go to File, Share, or click Share in the upper right-hand corner. You can make a copy, download it to your computer in several different formats, rename the file here, but I want to show you how to move this document to a specific folder on your drive. Just go File, Move, find the folder in your G drive, or create a new folder and move it there. You can delete it this way by going to File, Move to Trash. Also, if you want to make the background of your Google Doc a specific size, go to File, Page Setup, and here's where you can change it and customize it. I encourage you to go through and navigate Google Docs on your own. You might find some tools that I haven't shown you in this video that you or your students might find useful. When you go to share your document, type in the email address of the person you would like to collaborate with or just view your doc. Click this down arrow and decide whether or not you want someone to just view, to be able to comment, or to be able to edit the document. Make sure you check the box to notify people that you've shared this document with them. I like to type a message in here every time so that they know the purpose of me sharing this document. Once you're ready, hit send. Now, another way that you can share your document is you can use the link and just copy and paste that into an email. Down here where it says get link, I like to change it so that anyone who has the link can, again, do you want them to edit, view, or comment? And then copy that link. It should be a different one for all of those three options.